Hello everyone, and welcome to Techshot, your one-stop destination for the latest and greatest in technology news. In today's episode, we're going to talk about the 6 things we've learned from Elon Musk. Elon Musk is a name that we've all heard, and there's a good reason for that. He's a visionary entrepreneur who's made his mark on several industries, from electric cars to space exploration. Through his work with companies like Tesla, SpaceX, and The Boring Company, Musk has shown us what's possible when we set our sights high and pursue our dreams with passion and determination. In this speech, we'll explore 6 valuable lessons we can learn from Elon Musk and how we can apply them to our own lives. Take calculated risks. One of the most important lessons we can learn from Elon Musk is the importance of taking calculated risks. Musk has often taken bold and ambitious risks that have paid off in a big way, such as founding SpaceX with the goal of colonizing Mars. However, he also understands the importance of assessing the potential risks and rewards before making a decision. In our own lives, we can apply this lesson by recognizing that taking risks can lead to great rewards, but it's important to weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. By taking calculated risks and being prepared for potential setbacks, we can increase our chances of success. Think big. Elon Musk is known for his grand vision and his desire to push the boundaries of what's possible. He has set audacious goals for his companies, such as making electric cars mainstream with Tesla and colonizing Mars with SpaceX. By thinking big and challenging ourselves to achieve the seemingly impossible, we can inspire ourselves and others to achieve great things. In our own lives, we can apply this lesson by recognizing that we should never limit ourselves to what we think is possible. By setting audacious goals and pushing ourselves beyond our limits, we can achieve great things and inspire others to do the same. Embrace failure. Elon Musk has experienced many failures throughout his career, but he sees them as opportunities to learn and grow. He encourages others to do the same, saying that failure is not something to be ashamed of, but rather a natural part of the learning process. For example, SpaceX experienced several failed rocket launches before finally succeeding. In our own lives, we can apply this lesson by recognizing that failure is not the end of the road, but rather an opportunity to learn and grow. By embracing our failures and learning from them, we can become stronger and more resilient. Persistence pays off. Elon Musk has faced many challenges and setbacks throughout his career, but he's always persisted through them. For example, SpaceX experienced several failed rocket launches before finally succeeding. Musk never gave up, and now SpaceX is a major player in the space industry. In our own lives, we can apply this lesson by recognizing that persistence and determination are key to achieving our goals. When we encounter obstacles or setbacks, it's important to keep pushing forward and never give up. Innovate. Elon Musk is always seeking ways to improve existing technologies or create entirely new ones. For example, his company Tesla has revolutionized the automotive industry with its electric cars, and SpaceX has made space travel more affordable with its reusable rockets. By being innovative and creative, Musk has shown us that anything is possible. In our own lives, we can apply this lesson by recognizing the value of innovation and creativity. Whether we're working in a traditional industry or pursuing a new venture, we should always be looking for ways to innovate and improve upon existing ideas and technologies. Have a strong work ethic. Musk is known for his intense work ethic and his willingness to put in long hours and hard work to achieve his goals. He's shown us that success often requires a significant amount of effort and dedication. For example, he's been known to work 100-hour weeks and sleep at the Tesla factory during production crunches. This might not be sustainable for everyone, but it's a testament to Musk's drive and determination. Elon Musk has taught us many valuable lessons about life and work, from taking risks to embracing failure. His insights can inspire and motivate us to pursue our own goals and dreams. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a student, or anyone in between, there's something to be learned from Elon Musk's example. Thank you for tuning in to Techshot. We hope you enjoyed today's episode and learned something new. If you have any feedback, suggestions, or ideas for future episodes, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We love hearing from our viewers and are always striving to improve our content and make it more relevant and engaging for you. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed watching this video.